Most people love to see a stocked fridge, but for one Miami local, an empty fridge means she's done her job. Sherina Jones, also known as a Miami hero, is the woman behind making sure no one in her community goes hungry.
I wake up thinking about it and I go to bed thinking about it, that did someone get the food or the things that they needed for today.
She set up a community refrigerator in Liberty City stocked with free food to help people survive the COVID-19 pandemic, inspiring many around Miami to do the same. Sherina says no person should go hungry, especially during some of the hardest times many have ever faced.
I just had a guy tell me yesterday, he said, since I've been coming to get food from you guys, I gained 10 pounds. I'm so happy and it's the best I've ever felt in a long time. So that made me feel good.
Sherina is a local Miami business owner who knows what it's like to be negatively impacted by the pandemic. Her beauty business was considered non-essential, leaving her without business for months. However, the pandemic has taken her on a new path. One, she says, is her calling.
It's definitely a part of me now, more than my business before. But I guess I'm just on this assignment from God that He wanted me to take care of people, so that's what I'm here to do.
Sherina knows what it's like to suffer and works hard to make sure others don't. She purchased a refrigerator with her own money and invites everyone to stock it with food they don't need, allowing those in the community to take what they do need. Sherina plugs the fridge into her cousin Danny Agnew's business called Roots Collective Black House, located on Northwest 7th Avenue. Danny says he's not surprised Sherina would do something like this for her community.
Her dedication, I feel like, is getting greater every day. She's here at 7, 8 in the morning. She stays till 12. She does work. She comes after work, stocks the fridge again. Other locations need stuff. She's going to check in on them. So it's inspired me.
Danny also says he's constantly surprised at how Sherina's fridge is bringing the community together.
You're seeing these people out the window filling up the fridge by themselves at all times of day and night. And so it's a beautiful thing, man. It's just showing us that we can do anything we like to do if we focus on ourselves.
Sherina says during times like these, what we all need is a hero. From water to beans, snacks, and even hot food, Sherina's fridge is a pot of gold in Liberty City and stocked to make anyone's food wishes come true. From UMTV, I'm Sherina Jones.